Hello, my name is Dr. Kelly, and the reason I'm reaching out to you tonight with this quick video is because of the COVID-19 crisis, we had to change the format of this class. Originally, I was going to do this class as a hybrid where I was in the room with half of you and half of you were online watching me. Then I got in the room and saw what it was going to be like. Basically, you guys are spread out, you'd be spread out throughout the classroom. We'd all be wearing masks. I would not be able to walk around and look at your paper, which is like my favorite thing to do in the world, is to look over students' shoulders and help them out that way. And I can't do that with the social distancing guidelines. Not only that, but what they gave us to broadcast to those of you that would be online at home was a webcam on a selfie stick attached to the ceiling. Therefore, you would get a kind of good look at an okay, not great look at what I was doing on the board. Not only that, but I wouldn't really have the ability to see those of you who are at home. By switching to this real-time online, I think I can do a better job of interacting with you and communicating with you. First of all, I'll actually be able to see you guys who are at home with your webcams, those of you who have them and choose to turn them on. Not only that, but you'll be able to communicate with me instantly with voice and with chat. Not only that, but I have the ability to take polls, right? I can ask you questions. Instead of being able to walk around and look at your paper, I will put up little polls online to take feedback so that I can tell if you guys are understanding anything that I'm saying or not. And I think most importantly, you'll be able to see what I'm writing and what I'm talking about a whole lot better on Zoom or on Collaborate or one of these interactive learning platforms, a lot better than you could via webcam hanging from the ceiling projecting a chalkboard. For example, just to give you a quick idea of what I can do, I'm sure this is not anything that's going to blow your mind, but I do want you guys to be able to see that I can, in fact, very adequately work math problems and other things online. For example, whoops, here I am trying to prove things to you, and I had my first little blip there. But that's going to happen, period, especially as we get used to the new format a little bit here. Okay. H2O liquid. And this isn't the technology that makes it sloppy, it's my handwriting. But what you can see is I can very easily write numbers, write them very rapidly, and you can see them very clearly, other than my handwriting, which would still be an issue in face-to-face, here in this format. I think this is really the best way for you to get this information. I can still interact with you like I like to by doing it real time. I can still have you guys do group work, which is another thing I like to do by having you break out. I really think I can deliver the benefits of a face-to-face class by doing it real time online, or at least the best matter of fact, I can do it a lot better than I can with social distancing. There is no doubt about that. Walking around in a mask, talking to you guys who are also wearing masks, well, I couldn't even walk around. You see, that alone would drive me bonkers if I had to stand still. I'm not big on that whole sitting still thing. So I really didn't see any alternative other than to switch to this format. The only other thing would be to go to asynchronous online, where I wouldn't get to see you guys and I wouldn't get to interact with you, which is my favorite thing in the world other than chemistry. So that is why I switched to this course. I'm really hoping you'll choose to stay in it, and I'm hoping to get to see you very shortly in the real time online. And once again, my name is Dr. Kelly, and I'll hopefully be seeing you shortly. That's it for now.